In this video, I will be showing you how I make ChatGPT less agreeable so I can get the raw, unfiltered truth for my business ideas and personal opinions. I'm starting right here on the homepage, and to begin, I'll copy a specific set of instructions from my notes that explicitly tells the AI to be completely direct and avoid any polite or apologetic filler. I'll paste this into the chat box and hit send. ChatGPT confirms that it will now prioritize accuracy and usefulness over being agreeable, adapting its tone to my new requirements. To test out this new, tougher tone, I'll paste in a business idea for a handmade candle company and ask for a brutally honest evaluation. As I scroll through the response, you can see the AI provides a very detailed 14-point breakdown of the potential flaws. It addresses everything from tight profit margins and working capital issues to shifting market demand and personal risks, giving me the direct feedback I need to see the challenges ahead. Next, I'll challenge the AI to argue against my own personal opinion on the benefits of working from home to help me identify any blind spots. I'll paste that request in, and it immediately provides a firm, structured counterargument that pushes back against my stance. Finally, I'll show you how to make this direct behavior permanent for all your future chats. I'll navigate down to the bottom left corner, click on my profile icon, select Settings, and then open the Personalization tab to find the Custom Instructions menu. I'll paste my honesty requirements into the text field and then click Save. Now, every new conversation I start will automatically follow these direct feedback rules without me having to ask twice. If you found this walkthrough helpful for getting more critical feedback from your AI, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.